24 है as 25 है, I guess. Okay. So your vacations are starting from tomorrow, after tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. बीच बीच में मिलते रहेंगे हम लोग, टेंशन नहीं है. Yeah. Write a program to print Armstrong number or not. Okay. So Armstrong number में क्या था? Sum of the cubes of the digit is equals to number itself. तो कल हमने देखा था कि how to find the sum of the digits of a number. And what was the process of extracting digits from the number? First, we do division by 10 and obtain the remainder. And then next time, when we use the remainder for, that is the digit, remainder means the last digit when you divide by 10. That remainder is the last digit. So you use that last digit to accumulate in a accumulating variable like S or C, whatever you use. And then you truncate the last digit of the number by floor division by 10. इको आज भी आ रहा है क्या? आ रहा होगा वैसे थोड़ा सा.
नहीं.
आज नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, good. So let's say you'll have your number here. नहीं प्रशांत, अब नहीं आएगा, अभी नहीं आ रहा था. You have your number here n, and then you will have one variable to calculate the sum of the cubes of the digits. Okay, and then you will write while n is not equals to 0 or n is greater than 0. उसके बाद क्या करोगे? You will find till that time you will keep on finding the last digit. Last digit is obtained by modulus operator. 10 से divide करने पे the remainder that you get is the last digit. Then use this to add. अब तुम्हें क्या करना है? You have to find the sum, not the sum of the digits. You have to find the sum of the cubes of the digit. ठीक है? So you can use like this: last digit multiplied by last digit multiplied by last digit. Okay, and then you can divide. N is equals to digit division 10. If now when you come out of the loop, S will contain the sum of the cubes of all the digits, and if that sum, that is S, of course that can also be done. मतलब वो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. चाहे ये लिखो और ये लिखो, or you can even write, but उसके लिए you will have to import math on the top. All the three are correct. ठीक है? Oh sorry, बीच में तो repeat कर दिया मैंने. So all the three, चाहे either you write this or this or this or this. ठीक है? Any one of these will work. Okay, so if now that sum of all cubes of all the digits, the last value. नहीं, क्वेश्चन में देखो ना सौरभ, I had written कि expect a natural number from the user. So either you can test in the beginning if that is a natural number or not, or if it is greater than 1, वो वाला टेस्ट कर सकते हो. ठीक है? So if S is double equals to n Brent Armstrong number. Now tell me, what do you think? It is correct? Not an Armstrong number. हाँ देखो एक बार. It is not correct. Why it is not correct? N value will change. Yes. देखो यहाँ पे n को ट्रंकेट करते करते एवरी टाइम लेट्स से 123 से स्टार्ट किए तो s पहली बार s ये लास्ट डिजिट में 3 आएगा तो फिर 3 का क्यूब विल बी एडेड टू s एंड दैट विल बिकम s दैट इज s विल बिकम 27 ओके एंड देन n विल बिकम 12 नेक्स्ट टाइम वापस आओगे लास्ट डिजिट विल बिकम 2 क्योंकि 12 बन गया है यहाँ पे सो लास्ट डिजिट विल बिकम 2 फिर s which is already the sum of 3 cube now to that you will add plus 2 cube ठीक है and that 3 cube plus 2 cube that is 27 plus ये जो है 4 sorry 8 will जो भी है वो add हो जाएगा 35 s will become 35 now again s will become n will become 1 इस तरह करते हुए finally n reduces to 0 so if you are comparing here whether that sum of the cubes of the digit is equals to s but remember s has now become 0 last value of s was 0 therefore it came out of the loop okay so it will always give you not an Armstrong number because you have truncated digit by digit and then finally s has been reduced to 0 so what can be done in such a scenario in such a scenario
duplicate is equals to n ले लेते हैं du
हाँ एक इसका कॉपी मेंटेन अ कॉपी ऑफ दिस इन सम अदर वेरिएबल हाँ डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू ऑफ n करेक्ट सो यू कैन टेक लाइक n is equals to int input then temp ले लो या dup ले लो कुछ भी ले लो एक टेम्पररी वैल्यू इसका कॉपी बना लो लेट्स से temp इसका नाम डजंट मैटर यू कैन जस्ट कीप अ कॉपी या cpy भी रख सकते हो ठीक है up to you and then you can write s is equals to 0 ठीक है and here देखो n तो चेंज हो गया है but s is still pointing towards the same value temp is still pointing towards the same value that is the original copy of n and therefore you can compare it with temp okay so देखो समझ में आया या नहीं आया एवरीवन अजय
आ गया सर
हाँ सर
समझ गया ना ठीक है गुड राइट ठीक है now we'll see one more program Kirtana is there Kirtana you understood नहीं आया तो बताओ
सर एक मिनट पीछे करना
It is still showing sending.
क्या What have you sent?
I sent yes.
Wait,
So
अच्छा
it's-
अच्छा हो
sir,
गया
हो गया. Yes, sir.
Okay. Write a program to accept a natural number from the user Anant has left, or is he still there? And
I'm still there, sir.
Acha, you're still there. Good. Print the sum or print the reverse of the number. Okay, चलिए देखते हैं. So reverse of the number. देखो इसमें जो concept use होता है कुछ ऐसा है. Let's say you have 123. Okay. Now you will see that each of the places varies with a multiple of 10. This is 10 to the power 0. This is 10 to the power 1. This is 10 to the power 2. When we are talking about the place values. ठीक है. So इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पहले इस प्रोग्राम को मैं लिख देता हूँ. You will ask for a number. Considering कि user enters a natural number. Okay. Reverse लिखने के लिए I have taken a variable which will be containing the final reversed number of this. And processing is same. While we will be extracting digit by digit and will be doing something so that we get the reverse of the number. And then we will do last digit is equals to last digit is equals to n mod 10. ठीक है. Now what you are going to do is देखो इधर reverse is equals to rev एक मिनट rev multiplied by 10 plus LD. देखो भैया what will happen. Let's say the number was 123. Okay. यहाँ पे assume करते हैं you assigned number as 123. Okay. And then you assigned a variable identified as rev as 0. The n which is 123 is of course not equals to 0 or it is चलो एक जगह greater than भी लिख देते हैं. Which is of course greater than 0 or not equals to 0. So it will come inside the loop. So first round में LD will become 3. Okay. Rev will become, give me a minute. Hello. Good morning मैम. मैम क्लास के बीच में बताइए. डीजी कैम का क्या नंबर दिया है तो उसको किधर ऐड करना है? मैं आपको मैम 11:30 में कॉल करता हूँ. ओके. ओके. Yeah, sorry, where was I? Rev. So पहले right side of this expression will be solved, equals to will be solved, and then finally it will be assigned to rev. So let us solve this. This rev is currently what? 0. So 0 multiplied by 10 plus LD. LD is 3. So what will be the value of rev here? Rev became 3, right? Now next step में after the last, as the part of the execution of the last statement of the block, n became what? 12, क्योंकि floor division की हो 10 से तो last digit will go, okay, and then again second round will start. ठीक है, second round में n which is 12 is still greater than 0, okay, then last digit will become what? 2, क्योंकि n 12 था, being greater than 0 it came inside, n being 12 remainder last digit दे देगा, so 2. Rev will become now, what was the last value of rev? क्योंकि rev multiplied by 10, last value of rev was 3, this will be 3 multiplied by 10 plus last digit is 2, this will imply rev is equals to, rev will get the value, a new value as 32, okay. Now rev 32 हो गया, n को अब further integer division करोगे last value of n which was 12, you will get, or floor division, you will get 1. Okay, now third round will start. In the header of the third round, we can see that this still holds true because n is greater than 0. Yeah, n is not equals to 0 yet. So again, it will come inside. 1 when divided by 10 will give you remainder as 1 only. So last digit will be 1. Okay. Rev is equals to rev multiplied by 10. What is rev? Rev last value tha 32. So 32 multiplied by 10, which is equals to plus LD. LD was what? 1. Latest value is 1. So this will imply that rev will get a value which will be 320 plus 1, that is 321. N will become, एक मिनट रुको, okay. Fine. हाँ, 321, n will become, क्या हो गया, हाँ, n will become, last value of n was 1. When 1 को जब divide करोगे 10 से, you will get 0 times, ठीक है, 0, remainder will be 1, और तुम्हारा this will be quotient which is obtained by integer division will be 0. So n will become 0. Now fourth round may, if it tries to go up, okay, if it tries to go up, n being 0 is not greater than 0 or is not equals to 0. So this loop will break, it will come out of the body and will execute the statement just outside the body of the while loop, which is printing of reverse, and the last value of reverse you can see is 321. So it will print display 321. Okay, is it clear? Tell me कि कैसे reverse हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The underlying concept here is that क्यों यहाँ पे multiply करते हैं every time, and then why we are adding it. We are multiplying it because each of the places, successive places, are differ by a factor of 10. Okay, so हर जो last digit तक निकाले थे reverse order में, तो it's sort of reverse expanded form, and when you do it in the reverse expanded form, you will get the reverse of the number. Okay. ओके, ठीक है. Next question. Write a program to accept a natural number and print whether palindrome or not. Hope all of you have taken the soft copy, yeah, or you are in the process of taking the soft copy, or sorry, hard copy of your project. ठीक है, वो सब करवा लेना, नहीं तो दिक्कत है. पलक हो गया तुम्हारा?
सर हार्ड कॉपी निकालने के लिए बाहर जाना पड़ता है.
बाहर कैंप तुम्हारा वहां पे कैंपस में नहीं है कहीं पे?
नहीं सर, ना तो इन्होंने कैंपस में कोई दुकान लगा रखा है, ना ही हमें बाहर जाने देते हैं.
अच्छा, तो एक काम करना, किसी फ्रेंड को भेज देना अपने, when जो भी तुम्हारे टीम में है, when they will be going, they will take a copy for you as well.
कीटनाग को बोला है मैंने.
ठीक है. Right. Write a program to accept a natural number and print whether palindrome or not. What is palindrome? Huh?
सर रिवर्स करने के बाद भी वो नंबर सेम रहता है.
सेम होता है. Read either way the same. मतलब चाहे लेफ्ट से रीड करो या राइट से रीड करो, you will get the same thing. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल है. मॉम, डैड, ठीक है, नून, ठीक है, मलयालम, बहुत सारा है. एक सेंटेंस भी है, मैडम आए मैडम. हाँ, अब डोंट मतलब कि उसको कंटिन्यूअस स्पेस को इग्नोर करना बीच में. देन इफ यू ट्राई टू रीड इट विल कम एज सेम. तो सच थिंग्स आर देयर. नाउ इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? सो इट इज, इफ यू कैन सी, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू द प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, इसका इफ यू राइट द स्टेप्स और एल्गोरिथम, ठीक है, सो स्टेप्स में क्या हो जाएगा? Step 1 is find the reverse of the number. And then step 2, check.
So you can create a duplicate of the input and then we can check
Whether the reverse is same as the number or not. Okay, so इसका solution हो जाएगा. The solution will be, you will accept a number, make a copy of it, because तुम्हें compare भी करना है while loop के बाद, and the moment while loop is done n becomes 0, so make a temporary copy of it or duplicate copy of it. Okay, and then reverse के लिए take a variable जो which will contain the reverse. Then you will write while n is greater than 0 or n is not equals to 0. Okay, and then you will print, not print, you will find the last digit, which is nothing but the remainder when divided by 10. n mod 10. Okay, reverse का तो देखा हमने अभी. It is last value of reverse multiplied by 10 plus last digit obtained right now. ठीक है, then n last digit will be truncated or trimmed away from the current number, so that in the next time we can obtain the second last digit in the LD. Like that it will go on and on till the number reduces to 0. The moment the number reduces to 0 and the moment you come out of the loop, okay, the last value of rev will be the reverse of the number, entire number, final value of rev. So you will compare that. If rev is equals to what? Temp or n? We'll compare with temp, not n, because n has reduced to 0 and temp is containing the copy of n. So temp, and then if this is the case, you will say it is palindrome. Else not a palindrome. Print not palindrome. ठीक है, ये तुम लोग एग्जाम में ऐसे डॉट डॉट करके मत छोड़ देना, राइट इंटायर फुल. If the user gives a single digit, it will be considered as palindrome. Yes, Saurav. 1 is a palindrome, 9 is a palindrome, 2 is a palindrome.
स्ट्रिंग दिया तो सर,
हाँ,
स्ट्रिंग तो यही.
स्ट्रिंग का पैलिंड्रोम हम लोग देखेंगे जब स्ट्रिंग करेंगे. ठीक है, चलो ये हो गया. और देखते हैं किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन है. ये समझ में आया एवरीवन? कीर्तना एंड प्रशांत, अखिला, विष्णुप्रिया इज देयर? हाँ, शी इज वेरी क्वाइट टुडे. यूजुअली शी इज, बट आजकल कुछ ज्यादा ही है. ओके, ठीक है. Now go to next page. That's okay. I know you are there. बीच बीच में बताते रहो if you are getting or not. Okay. So we have seen a program to enter a number, find the sum of its digits. ये कर लोगे. Enter a number, print it in reverse order. ये भी कर लोगे. Write a program to enter a number, print palindrome or not. We have just done it. Program to enter a number and print the sum of even and odd digits it contains separately. ये कैसे होगा? Write a program to enter a number, okay, and print the sum of its even and odd digits. बहुत सिंपल है. What will you do? The moment you find LD, उसके बाद चेक कर लो, is LD is equals to when divided by 2 gives you remainder 0 or not. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? You will accept one number. I'll write the solution. अगर इसमें दिक्कत होता है तो बता देना. ठीक है, because I have to find the sum of two separate sums, sum of its even digits and sum of its odd digits. ठीक है
सर, इसको बस while से कर सकते हैं, for से नहीं.
Do you know how many digits are there in that number and how many digits will be there in the number?
जो n देगा n+1 कर देंगे.
हाँ, अरे digits n
हाँ, digits का करना है ना सर.
हाँ, so ये n will, how will you n tell कि कितने digit हैं? If you write n is equals to 100, that means n will be.
समझ गई सर.
तो मान लो n equals to मैंने 100 दिया, ठीक है, इसी तरह n user 1000 दे सकता है, but you don't know what user will give. So how will you know the number of digits in advance? कैसे पता चलेगा? प्रशांत, लेन नहीं काम करता है न्यूमेरिक टाइप पे. क्या हुआ? पलक,
सर,
क्या समझ में आया क्या बोल रहे थे तुम? लेट मी नो योर डाउट बताओ, तब मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा.
मुझसे पूछा सर.
हाँ, तुमसे ही पूछ रहे हैं. तुम यू रेज द क्वेश्चन ना कि n+1 कर देंगे तो.
हाँ, मैं समझ गई.
हाँ,
समझ गई सर.
अच्छा, हाँ क्या? सो तुमने यू हैव गिवन दिस नंबर, ठीक है. नाउ you, because you have two types of sums, sum of odd number and sum of even number. So let's create two variables which will find the two separate sums. Both will be 0 initially. Now you will write while n is not equals to 0, you will keep on finding last digit last digit will be found by modulus of 10. The moment you get last digit, what you will do, you will check whether it is even or odd. So if last digit happens to be divisible, or if it last digit is divisible by 2 completely, then that means the current digit that you have found, okay, the one digit that you have extracted is a even digit. So अगर even digit है तो even वाले में add कर दो. SE is equals to SE plus last digit. Else, if that last digit, if the digit that you have just extracted is not even, that means it is odd. So in that case, you add that in the counter of or in the sum accumulating variable of SO. So sum of odd plus last digit. ये बताओ, ये समझ में आया? And then you will truncate n so that you get new truncated number, then next digit will be extracted, then you will check whether the next digit is even or odd. Based on it, you will either add in S odd or S even variable, and you will keep on repeating for each of the digits by testing even or odd or even or odd. Okay, once you are done, after all the digits have been checked and sum has been found separately, at the end you will print SO, which will be the sum of odd numbers, odd digits in it, and SE, which will be the sum of even digits in it. Same program है, बस LD निकालते ही, the moment we found LD, we will be checking that digit that we have just extracted, is it even or odd? अगर even है तो even वाले में add करेंगे variable में उसको, odd है तो we will add it in the odd variable. तो इस तरह करके separately even और odd वाले digits का sum निकलते जाएगा. बताओ, let me know. बढ़िया, सही है. ओके, ठीक है, सबको समझ में आ गया है तो फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. What if it question asked number of even digits and number of odd digits?
We'll keep adding 1 instead of LD.
So if the question mentions number of odd digits and number of even digits, so you will increase every time by not LD by 1. ठीक है कि चलो, if it comes here first time, that means you just got one odd even digit, so you will increase the counter of even by 1. If it is odd, you will increase the counter every time by 1. ठीक है, तो LD की जगह 1 हो जाएगा if the question mentions number of odd digits and number of even digits. Okay. Armstrong number we have seen, question number 5. Okay. Then we have write a program to enter number and print the sum number of times the digit 5 appears in it. बहुत easy question है. नंबर की तो सबसे आसान क्वेश्चन है. Program to print number of times digit 5 appears in it in a number entered by the user. ठीक है. So क्या करना है, नंबर ले लो. Accept the number. Okay. Create a variable which will be acting as the counter of number of digit, number of time 5 appears in it. Okay. So then while n is not equals to 0 or n is greater than 0, keep on finding last digit. You check if that last digit happens to be 5, increase the counter of in जो s है तुम्हारा by 1. ठीक है, truncate the digit, not truncate the number, not the digit, or trim the number, and then you will print the last value of S will be your answer. Clear है ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
अभिषेक इस बार तुम्हारे प्रोग्राम में एक भी गलत हुआ तो इस बार घर आके मारूंगा तुम्हें.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Write a program to print the average of the digits of a number. ठीक है. Average of the digits of number कैसे find करेंगे? To print average of digits of a number. ठीक है. So नंबर लिया तुमने, लेट से एक सम का वैल्यू ले लिया तुमने. ठीक है. Now you will write while n is not equals to 0, you will write LD is equals to 10. S is equals to, keep on adding all the digits. S plus LD, n is equals to n by 10. Sum of the digits find कर लिया. The moment it comes out of the loop, S will give you the sum of all the digits of the number. ठीक है. One more thing you will have to do here. एक और वेरिएबल लेना पड़ेगा C. Why? ये भी फाइंड करना है इसमें कि हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर. ठीक है. So every time it gets inside the body, that means one digit will be there. So एक वेरिएबल होगा which will count S for sum of all digits. ठीक है. And C is a counter which will increase itself every time it gets inside the body by 1. That means body के अंदर तभी आएगा when there is some digit in it. So number of times your loop get inside the body, that means that many number of digits it has. So C will keep on increasing itself by 1. So final value of S will give you the sum of all the digits, and final value of C will give you the number of digits. ठीक है. Number of digits in the number. Okay. And then keep on truncating. Every time you get a number digit, you will increase the counter by 1 and you will increase the sum by LD. So S will contain the sum of all digits and C will contain the number of digits. Outside the loop, you can write average of all the digits is equals to sum by number of count of all the digits. Okay, and then print the average. Yes. देखो. Is it clear?
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. दिक्कत होगा तो at any point stop me. चाहे मैं next question में ही क्यों ना हो. Okay. Now we'll check the next question. Write a program to print the average. ये तो देख लिया. Write a program to enter a set of numbers and display the number of positive numbers entered by the entered number of negative numbers entered. Program should terminate when the user enters 0. अच्छा ठीक है. मतलब क्या है? इससे पहले एक प्रोग्राम हम लोग अपनी तरफ से देखते हैं. Write a program to keep printing high till user wants. ठीक है, जब तक यूजर की मर्जी हो तब तक तुम्हें हाई प्रिंट करते जाना है. So is the number of times known in advance कि how many times you have to print high? नहीं, right? तो तुम्हें ये नहीं पता है कि कितनी बार हाई प्रिंट करना है. You only know कि till the user wants. So which type of loop will be used? While. तो इसके दो तीन तरीके हैं. कैसे? यूजर से कंसेंट लेने के लिए टेक वन वेरिएबल सो दैट यूजर कैन गिव यू द कंसेंट कि डू यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू, डू यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू, उस तरह करके. ओके, सो let's say this is solution 1. ठीक है. So what we will do is I will create a variable choice or wish, कुछ भी रख लो, and I will take it as a value y or yes, कुछ भी रख लो. ठीक है. I'll write now while choice variable contains the value y. ठीक है. Print high. ठीक है. Let's say 1 times high print हुआ. Then before you go and print the next time, you will have to ask the user, do you want to print it again? So give the user the option. You will write ch is equals to input. इनपुट के अंदर एक मैसेज लीव कर दो प्रॉम्प्ट में. Enter y to continue or any other letter, string, okay, to exit. Okay, right? अब देखो, this is all, program is done. क्या होगा? पहली बार यूजर ने y दिया. Now this holds true because initially in the hard coded program the value of ch first time is y, तो first time high print करेगा. Okay, let's say this is output. First time high print here. Then user will get a message on the screen कि please enter y to continue or any other string or letter to exit. User की मर्जी होगी. If the user wants to this program to continue, user will press y. Okay, yeah, if user does not want, then the user will press any other value, a character or maybe a string or a word, whatever in that, and which this will be assigned to the variable ch again. Now it will go again to the top of this header. फिर देखेगा ch. अगर यूजर ने यहाँ पे y प्रोवाइड किया होगा, if user might have given y here, ठीक है, so this will still hold true. It will again come inside, will print high for the second time, and then will again ask for the value to be put inside ch again. If that new value again happens to be y, फिर वापस जाएगा, it will again result in true. It will again come inside and print. But next time it will go on and on till the time the user enters any other thing other than the single y. Okay, जिस केस में the program will terminate. ये program देखो और let me know कि is it clear कि कैसे ऐसे घूम रहा है ये बार बार based on the entry given by the user.
Clear, sir.
Okay, इसका एक और तरीका हो सकता है. Instead of string, you can take an integer also. यहाँ पे इनपुट दिए थे, यहाँ you will get int input because now you are comparing based on the number and not on a string. Enter 1 to continue or any other integer to exit. ठीक है, तो यूजर ने अगर यहाँ पे देखो int टाइप का वैल्यू ले रहा है, so if this integer provided by the user in ch, the new integer, if it happens to be anything other than 1, the program will break, or if the user keeps on entering 1 as the integer value, it will keep on executing. Prashant, that is also correct. I am showing you different ways in which you can do it. Okay, that is also correct. ठीक है, जो प्रशांत लिखा है वो भी सही है, एक और तरीके से भी कर सकते हो. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू द मल्टीपल वेज. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हो, while true, and then you will see press Y to continue, anything else to exit.
सर 11:30 से हमारा केमिस्ट्री क्लास है.
2 मिनट में छोड़ दूंगा.
मैम आपके जैसे एक्स्ट्रा 5 मिनट ही देंगी.
अच्छा ठीक है, रुक जाओ, बस इसका सोल्यूशन देख लेते हैं. If CH is equals to केमिस्ट्री है या आईपी है तुम्हारा?
मैम ले रही है.
आईपी है.
मैम ले रही है लेकिन
अच्छा
सबको अटेंड भी करना है.
अच्छा ठीक है 1 मिनट. इफ CH is equals to y, ठीक है, प्रिंट हाई, इसको देख के आना, कल यहां से हम लोग शुरू करेंगे. हाई एल्स ब्रेक. ठीक है, एनालाइज द सॉल्यूशन टुमारो एंड देन विल कल मिलेंगे इसमें. ठीक है, चलो यू कैन लीव.